Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram story mention name not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. First of all, go back to home screen and then go to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on Search app and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. I have already updated my Instagram apps. After completing update process, open Instagram. Now tap on profile icon. Now click on three-line icon and then scroll down. Now go to help option. Tap on help option. Now tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue option. Here describe your problem in details. After describe your issue, now send your report. Just tap on send option. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.